to Catch a Mermaid. You ready? You need the phone? Last week, I saw a mermaid. It's not something I pretend. I'd really like to catch her so she could be my friend. We'd have the best adventures. I'd learn her mermaid ways. We'd tour her mermaid city, and we'd swim for days and days. Hey, you two, come follow me. I need you on my team. The water's where we need to plan our mermaid catching scheme. But how to catch a mermaid? You don't learn this in school. We'll need to build a gentle trap and start near the tide pool. First, I have this. What is this? A treasure. Yes, jewelry box. And what are these? And what is that? What is that? She'll love this bait I bought her. She can't resist the treasure chest. Oh no, it's in the water. Well, mermaids love bright, shiny things. A crown will catch her eye. We'll lure her in with this new trap, and then our net will fly. What is this? Good girl. Her seaweed lasso snatched the crown. We'll need a different plan. Let's put a sparkly necklace down inside a giant clam. She switched the necklace with a rock to stop the clam from snapping. Now she has a better prize. We need some better trapping. We made a lasso of our own and hid in the seaweed. She swam too fast for us to catch. Oh, when will we succeed? Now let's try to switch it up and play some funky beats. Maybe that will draw her in. Oh no, there's... What are these? What?
Sharks.
Oh no, there's sharks. Retreat! We escaped from all the sharks. That was a scary scene. But now we get to up our game with this cool submarine. This submarine has robot arms to catch our fishy lass. But this mermaid can't be caught. She really is too. Good girl. It's time to pull out all the stops. We have to be quite sneaky. But she heard our trap from afar. That chest was very creaky. Good girl. Oh no, look out. They are back. We're doomed. What can we do? We used up all our traps and bait. Without some help, we're through. Is the puppy gonna get eaten? Oh no. I'm dying to know what happens. A mermaid comes to save the day. She made a trap to save us. She scares the sharks and scoops us up. She really is courageous. Hooray! We're safe. We're back on land. 3 cheers to our mermaid. We'll miss her smart and clever tricks. We wish she could have stayed. The end. There you go. Can you say thank you, Aunt Terry? For my book? How to Catch a Mermaid.
How to catch a mermaid.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Mama.
Love you.